sound does a sheep make? What sound does a horsey make? Quint, what sound does a rooster make? Good job. What sound does a elephant make? Yeah. What sound does a mouse make? Yeah, eek. What sound does, what else do we know?
Cow.
A cow make?
What sound does a kitty cat make?
Meow. Meow.
What? Yeah. What sound does a doggy make? What sound does a monkey make? That's a monkey. What sound does a truck make? Truck. When it goes by, what sound does it make? What sound does it make? Yeah.
What sound, Quint, does a lion make? Yeah. Can you pull that thing down? Yeah. What sound does... Oh, there we go. Quint, what sound does a rooster make? Yeah, the dog is outside.
What about a bird? What sound does a bird make?
I think Papa done that. What sound does a bunny rabbit make, Quint?
What about a car? What sounds do cars make? Yes, they do that. They also make another sound too, don't they? They go beep beep. Can you do that?
Beep beep.
You remember that house, huh?
Ring ring.
Oh, can you answer the phone?
Can you answer the phone, Quint?
Oh, look. It's ringing. Go say hello. Say hi.
Hi.
You say, I love you.
Let's see your signs, Quint. Quint, how do you say drink? Yeah, he's not facing me.
Show Mama. How do you
Quint,
say drink?
drink? How do you say eat? Eat. Yeah. How do you say...
More. Quint, show me how to say more. Good.
Yeah. Can you show me, please? That was finished.
Finish,
He says, I'm all done. Quint, how do you say please? Yeah.
Good.
Quint, where are your ears? Is that silly? Where are your ears? Ears, ears, ears. Yeah, there they are. Ears, ears, ears. Where's your tongue? Yeah. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's beep beep? Where's your nose? I see you.
You're showing it to me. It's right out front.
Quint.
There it is.
Oh, yeah, I see you.
There's my nose.
Where's your mouth? Oh. Hey, Quint, where's your belly? Yeah.
Yeah. Quint, how do you say bed?
Yeah, there's bed. Good job.
And
how do you say milk?
Yeah, how do you say help? You say help. Help. Yeah. And how do you say play? If you want to play, how do you say play? I want to play. Yeah, play.
Quint, how do you say pray? Can we say prayer? Good job.
Do you remember how to say fast? Fast, 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 fast. Yeah. Wait. It looked like later. How do you say later?
There's later.
That's
Good
later.
job.
Yeah. What about how do you say? Oh, there's one other one too. Cup. Do you remember how to say cup?
You just cup and drink the same
drink
way.
Is, yeah. How do you say thank you? Let's eat. There's thank you. Yeah. It's like blowing a kiss.
Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Mwah. There you go. Good job. Can you say night night?
It's not night time.
I don't want to go. Yeah.
Wait, what about your teeth? Do you have teeth in there? Show me, where are your teeth?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, they're inside there. Uh-huh. And...
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
You finished?
Can you blow me kisses? Ah, thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye night-night. Even though it's not night-time. Oh, is that bed? Yeah. Good job. Oh, are you winking? Good job winking. Can you show me your muscles, Quint?
Ooh, he's so strong. How about a high five?
Yeah.
Well, high five for Mommy.
High five for Mommy. Yeah. Can you pound it, Quint?
Knuckles.
Yeah. Can we see your muscles? Show us your muscles. Oh, good job.
Those are huge muscles. Strong man. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right. Finished. Yep. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say, I love you.
Yeah, you do that one. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. How do you say, I love you?
All right. See you later. Bye-bye.